Again, it's Mother's Day weekend, so happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful moms out there. Oh, I love it.
So we appreciate you so much. Happy
Oh,
Mother's Day.
guys, we did it. I am so excited.
I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house.
It's also getting out the house. Oh, I see him behind it. Oh my god, he's huge. Another shot for us. What's up guys, CC here. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're not new, wagwan YouTube family. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is May 10th and it is Mother's Day weekend coming up. It's Friday, so this weekend is Mother's Day weekend. So happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful moms out there, surrogate moms, natural moms, foster moms, just mom in general. Happy Mother's Day to you guys. So at work today they did a little, not so much a little get together, but they did show appreciation for all the moms that work here. And yeah, I think I show you guys some clips of that. If you haven't seen it yet, it's gonna be the next clip coming up. But I guess they feel sorry for us too. We're not moms and we got a little rose, so we didn't feel too left out. This is the rose that we got, and the actual mothers, they got rose and little treats. So hi.
Thank you. Who bought it?
This is from your managers.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Mother.
Say my mother. Let me see it. And she did the perfect timing because you wasn't even here. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's so nice. Ooh, y'all getting frozen.
She was on video. Okay. From and we wanted to say that happy Mother's Day. I know you guys work very hard here and at home, so we appreciate you so much.
Oh,
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Welcome back guys. We're starting off the weekend vlog and it's supposed to be a lit weekend, so stay tuned guys. We haven't been out for a hot minute. It is May and the last time we've been out is I think Valentine's. So February, March, April, May, that's long. Okay, that's long. Almost 90 days. That's long. Anyways guys, we're gonna be having some fun this weekend. Tonight we're going to try and make it to a happy hour. We already RSVP for some spots, 3 spots, because one of my friends is supposed to come with us, but it might just be the 2 of us instead. But yeah, we're gonna do happy hour tonight and then go bowling again. So I'm excited for that. And then tomorrow, Saturday, we're supposed to be going to a concert. Well, yeah, God spare life, we're going to a concert. We already purchased the ticket. It's a Bahamian concert, so it's a Rake and Scrape Explosion concert. So you guys will see what a authentic Bahamian concert looks like and how it feels to go to a Bahamian concert. Like, just come with me, okay? Hey guys, welcome back. It is swimming lesson number 5 and I already have my swimsuit on under this. I am ready. Only thing is we had a long break between lesson 4 and today. Like, we had 2 weeks off. The first week the team went away, swimming competition, so we didn't have practice, and then the next week we didn't have practice once again, but I don't remember exactly why or what happened. But my biggest problem is, am I going to forget? Like, am I going to forget what I learned all this time and all my progress? I don't know. 2 weeks out the pool for learn to swim is crazy. That's like months out the pool. But yeah. Yes, guys, we did it. I am so excited. It was a good day. It was definitely the best practice so far. We did good, and of course you're gonna see clips as to why I'm so happy. Yeah, guys, literally just come out the water, towel on and everything, but she's still lifting up. Yeah.
Early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City. Did I see? No. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show?
Oh, we ain't out of here then.
Yeah. This one I better do.
Hot wings, the tacos, and the calamari. You match the vibe. You match the vibe. Your outfit.
Biggie man, we do what's it going? G-Wagon, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all depending. They get them,
I sent it to you and you didn't like it. You didn't like the meaning that I said. Exactly. Like what?
Make you do say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't go and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to do one way. I can't go and see myself. Plenty, so.
Let me show you guys outside. Show you outside before it gets dark.
Ride the whip, I know people die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depending. They get it, ride the whip.
This is a big property. It's our first time being here. Look at all this water. This water look abnormally high. Why is it so high?
Pond. It's a river, so it's like really low.
This look high as hell.
It's low.
This is in the back.
No, this is a canal. So when I go out, I'm probably going out to somewhere. It's a canal.
Yeah, guys, we're just exploring the property, but it's a nice property. It's pretty cool.
Waterloo.
This is Waterloo in Nassau, Bahamas. We ordered some food, so we're hungry, waiting for that. These shot cups are huge, people. Like, look at this.
And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind, put my mind let go. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby.
Oh, that's
Okay, toast to getting out the house.
Getting out the house.
Is your love, baby? If my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me. Cause she give me butterfly in my belly. Oh Lord, girl, your love is crazy. Girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me, girl, you amaze me. Other girls, them only really want to play me.
Okay guys, we just left happy hour. It is after 9. Now we're in the parking garage at the point and we're about to do bowling. And I beat her the last time. She sweating she gonna beat me now, but let's see guys. Let's see. Ready? So it's icons at the point. This is the back door. Why it look like it look a little deserted? But let's go bowling. I'm gonna beat you. Enjoy the artwork, people. Oh, it's full. It's a lot of people. Let's bowling out here. It looks like a lot of people here already, child.
One time, I'm to Vanessa. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man, no they walk up.
There's a movie theater in here, playing pool, arcade. What is that? Over there.
See that?
Guys, we missed it. It was they were taking the last set of people for bowling, so we didn't get to go. I was gonna beat her ass.
Nah.
Okay?
I even had to like the Spider-Man like and go straight
They
into it.
spared her. They spared her. Okay? Yeah. So we going home?
That's where you went?
I asked you.
I know.
Anyways, we don't get to bowl tonight, so probably next weekend because tomorrow we have the concert, so we can't do that tomorrow. So yeah, next weekend we'll do the bowling. It sucked that we missed it. We left Waterloo, but Waterloo was lit. It was a good vibe. So, alright guys, see you in the next clip. Okay, we didn't get to bowl, so we went our wacky. Walking the strip, trying to find somewhere to go chill. You want to go Goldies, you say?
Yeah.
Just try it out. The food ain't awesome, but it ain't that bad. But we ain't going for food, we just need
drink.
Yeah. Going to Goldies. I back to my Rattler. Those drinks were getting to my head. I was feeling it. Go back to something calm and nice. Hey, we're still watching the turtles, guys. Look at that one right there, that black spot right there. That's the turtle.
Oh, that's a big one.
Oh, I see him behind it. Oh my God, he's huge. You see that? Oh wow, this is huge. You think that's a turtle?
Right. You see him?
Yes, I see him. He's big.
He's about to come up.
No, he's gone underneath the thing. So crazy. Why are these turtles so active tonight? Wow. Oh, we're gonna get to see him. He's coming around. He is huge. Look at him. Guys, you could barely see him, but he's right there. Oh, this juicy. We should have tell him dry. It wet. You want to tell him to change it? No. I don't know what's wrong with her, but she ordered another shot for us. So I getting rose. Tequila rose. Her lime reach so we could do our shots.
Oh yes.
Thank you.
But I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.